You've probably heard the claim that natural gas is cleaner burning than coal. But what does it mean for something to be cleaner burning? Let's start by understanding what happens when a fuel is burned. At the most basic level, combustion is a reaction that occurs when fuel is combined with oxygen in the presence of an ignition source. For hydrocarbons, this reaction means that the carbon and hydrogen elements that form molecules of coal or natural gas separate from each other and reform with the oxygen to make carbon dioxide and water. The output of this reaction is heat energy, which we harness to power our cars, homes, and industries. The more complex the hydrocarbon fuel is, the more CO2 that is produced for the same amount of energy, and coal is much more complicated than natural gas. Another way to think of this is like pasta. A toddler eating penne, nice short molecules, makes less mess. The shorter molecules are easier to handle. That same toddler eating spaghetti with meatballs, big, complex, tangled molecules, makes a lot of mess. When we hear that natural gas is a cleaner burning fossil fuel, what that really means is that for the same amount of energy output, it produces less mess, less CO2. And not just a little bit less, a lot less. For the same energy output, natural gas produces half as much carbon dioxide as coal. As we work on the energy transition, turning my dad's oil patch into my daughter's energy garden, the relative emissions intensity of fuels matters. Replacing complex, higher carbon intensity fuels moves us up the chain to cleaner burning fossil fuels, with the simplest and cleanest hydrocarbon molecule being natural gas. The energy transition is complex, but the molecules that power it shouldn't be.